Yes. Hello, good morning once again. It's your boy Alpha from Military Forex Trading Community. And today's video, we're going to talk about GBP. We're going to talk about gold trade. So for this video, I will show you how we managed to took this trade here and the update which we are given out to the premium community. Also, how we managed to took this scaling trade and the signal given out, how we managed to hold all this movement. All of these details, I'm going to explain them on the middle of this video, so keep in touch till the end of this video. Before I continue explaining, I would like you to make an introduction on my YouTube channel. Our username is Alpha. Here we share some trade recaps in case you haven't reached all our trades. These are the videos that we are explaining some trades, and I recommend it for new buyer to watch this video here, how to set a trading view layout or trading view setup. Also, for this case, we have our Facebook page where we also share our trading ideas. This is our military forex trading community page. Here we have our contacts here on our Facebook page in case you want to reach us. These are some of the content which we have already shared on our Facebook page. If you have your time, you may pass through it and see for yourself. And also we have our Instagram page where we also share updates, give out information. We share some matured setups. These are some of the posts that we have on our Facebook page. Don't forget to follow and like some posts which they have values to you. In case you want to reach me, this is my WhatsApp number. Let me show you. This is our link which will direct you to our WhatsApp contact. Yes, that's all. And for Telegram channel, we also have our free channel. Also, we have premium version and free version of it. All the links will be provided below this video on our description, or the caption below this, or the link will be provided. Also, the broker which we are using, we have provided the link below for those who requested the broker which we are using to trade. Okay, now let me begin for this trade. On this gold trade, what we are currently doing is we trade the pullback of this move before we continue going up with the gold. Because for gold, the long-term bias for gold is bullish. Currently, we are trading the pullback or the counter trade in which we want to fill this unfilled gap here, in which we are provided by the banks. So after taking all the liquidities here, this will be our first final take profit, which is the first and our final take profit before we started looking for the uptrend movement. And for gold trade, we provide the top-down analysis. How we do the top-down analysis, this is for premium members. We explain to them, we teach them how we trade. This was our first area which we are focusing before considering taking this short trade here. So after creating these equal highs here, we wanted to see the equal highs or liquidity were safety out by the banks before we continue taking down movement. But what I spot is that after sweeping out this liquidity level, the bank failed to push the price down and come to mitigate this liquidity bias here. Then the momentum or the volume which were placed by the banks inside this level, it shows the sign as the break of this structure high here. So the break of this structure high, we mark these lows and wait to see if these lows will manage to break like this. Then we will find the sell trade around these eco highs as our liquidity levels, where most of sellers of or retail traders are expecting to push the price down around this range here. So for this trade, after breaking this level and take out this liquidity level here, I place the our rail line here as our invalidation level. Then we took this stop hunt or void spikes here, in which it shows us that there is a sign of liquidity sellers here. So most of the retail traders were waiting for the price to come and reject at this level, then to shoot the price down till this range here and fill this gap here. How to spot this gap, all of these are explained on our #premium channel for trading community. In case you want to join, just feel free to PM me directly. I will be there 24/7 to support you and give all explanation how we manage to spot the market structure, how we read the price, and how we take the trade, and also the management tool. Okay, for this case, we were waiting for the price to come and tap here. And if you switch into 4-hour time frame, you will find that we have a very huge liquidity candle here, which give us the sign that here we would like to see the price come and mitigate or liquidate these orders here and took the price down. So after tapping this key level, I map this zone here, and I wanted to see the price break this to give me more confidence that we are going to shift a long-term downtrend till we reach this level. So this is my final target, where I would like to see the price tap at this level before we continue with our uptrend movement. Okay, let me show you one thing. For this case, I think I shared on our Facebook page. Where did the trade go? Yes, this sign here. So for this case, I wanted to break this, and I called the trade around this price range here. When the price managed to break this level, I call a trade, and currently we were tapping this, collecting these orders of buyers here. Then price managed to pull back, and I give out the update that we should reduce our risk till this price range here. In case the price managed to take out these sellers and close above, this trade will be invalidated, because the buyers could have given us the sign that they are getting stronger and they could have moved the price up. So for this case, let me show you. So for this case, as you can see, the buyers didn't manage to break or to close above this, and we managed to push the price down and take out this liquidity, which were the third level which I would expect the price to break. Then the third area where I would expect the rejection was this level here, in which we are currently in. And for yesterday, price managed to break the price range, and sellers managed to kick in again. Here we break with this candle here, in which it was a Asian session. We managed to break this level. So for currently, I'm not expecting any objection around this level, because as you can see, the gap here, it is free. So here it is just the liquidation to collect more orders. Yes, to collect more orders. And this, some people's or some retailers, if they spot a break of structure, they would want to take a buy trade. But for me, I will wait for a price to tap this take profit range here, in which this is where the first move before the this candle here gives us the sign that these are the bears where they failed to manage to push the price down, and bulls started to take over or take control around this level and push the price too aggressive here. So this give me information that here is an area where we like the sellers to come and tap, because this is the point where bulls started to take control of this market movement here. Yes, for that case, I give out an update for the premium members to take a break-even trade and take partial profit concerning this move here, because the money is not yours until you bank it into your MT4 or you withdraw it. Because if you manage to hold this, the price may come and pull back till this level to collect some orders or take some profit, to take some profit. And I would like to see at New York session the price to continue with the downturn movement. All of these updates and the scaling opportunity which will be provided by the market will be called on our premium channel. In case you want to join, feel free to contact me at any time. And for this case, what I wanted to show you how we give out updates. Let me show you one thing, how we give out updates. Yes, this is our premium channel. Currently, we are new and we are currently 19. We managed to have 3 members managed to join the community this weekend. And this is how we managed to give out update. Before the price managed to break this level, as I give out update that traders failed to take out that loss during London session. It was a London session where buyers managed to hold this price range before they managed to break it. Okay, let me clear this and show you. And this was the final management for the sellers. They managed to break this level, and the update was given out to the community, in which this was the middle of the London session. So at the beginning of the London session, sellers take out the Asian session and break these liquidity levels, which were buyers, which take out these Asian session traders, and the trade continue with a downtrend move. Then for this case, excuse me, the price didn't give us much confirmation that we are going down till we break this level, and the signal were given out. Let me find that trade. Yes, this was a signal that were sent to the community. This was the stop loss, and this was our final target that we are expecting the price to tap. Let me show you. Yes, as I told you at the middle of this was the area where I give out the signal. After taking out this liquidity, it is a sign that we have already collected all the orders below this and all the stop loss, which the retailer traders who don't follow the order flow, they placed their buys at this level and took a small profit. Then this candles here came and took out all the liquidity, all the stop loss. But for us, we know that we were in a short-term counter trend for sell. That's how we managed to take this trade here after liquidating all these orders. So for me, this was a scaling trade in which it was also a confirmation trade, because I didn't want to give out signal around this level because it was too risky. There was no any confirmation that were given out by the price till we managed to take out this loss here. So as you can see, this trade was given out as a signal. On here, we managed to, no, this was the GPB, JPY. Let me show you. This was the today's update after taking out the Asian session. Price managed to drop, come and liquidate this come to test our entry level again. Then we managed to break this buyer's liquidity, and our next liquidity was this. Then today's Asian session, we managed to take them out. Now, as you can see, our final target, which we are waiting, is for price to hit our target area. Okay. As you can see, this was the entry. We managed to take out all the first trade that was already out, because I know that I'm trading counter trend, so I don't want to leave any profit behind. As for this trade, when the trade managed to pull back, it take me at break-even level. So I managed to take another trade here. This was the entry, and this is my target level. But currently, I already take out some partial profit because I'll be waiting for the next pullback to give us opportunity to get in. And the trade for this, we managed to win this is 1,000 USD, which is our profit from previous week. And I already closed some partial trade, and I currently manage some few trades on this. As you know that this account was 4,200 USD of previous week. We managed to close some partial. And for today's partial profit, we managed to hit 6,000 USD. Currently, we are holding 3 positions on this trade. Now let me do this. Yes, this is the update. Thanks a lot. In case you hadn't subscribed to our channel and you want to get our free services, feel free to join our Telegram trading community. All the link will be provided below this YouTube video channel. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Have a nice week on trading.